Greetings, this is Lefty Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to connect the XRP Ledger to the EVM sidechain. Now, this is still in Devnet, so this is just a test, but I think it's still really cool, and you can see on the screen that Ripple and Peersyst devs, they push XRP towards Ethereum compatibility. And so, what is the EVM sidechain? Well, the EVM sidechain simply just allows for the XRP ledger to connect to Ethereum based applications. The purpose of this would be to allow for individuals that love to use languages like Solidity and Metamask and still be able to use the high speed and scalability of XRP. So it says here, the first phase of the EVM sidechain is currently available for testing on the XRP Ledger DevNet. Using a bridge, developers can test the exchange of DevNet XRP between the EVM sidechain and XRP Ledger to 1. Access available technologies, and 2. Deploy their existing Solidity apps on the EVM sidechain and access the XRP DevNet user base. So let's get started. You're going to need an Xumm account, and you're going to also need a Metamask wallet. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to be switching back and forth between my phone and my desktop. Now Xumm is in the Apple Store, so we're going to use my iPhone and we're going to download it. Now I already have it, so I'm just going to open it. I'm going to use my password. We're going to go to settings, then go to advanced, and then go to node and click on the DevNet node. It's going to give a warning, but that's okay. Scroll down, go on developer mode. Next, we're going to go back to home and then click on account or accounts. We're going to add account. We're going to import an existing account. Then we're going to do full access, family seed, and then this is where you're going to enter your family seed from the dev faucet. Now for your DevNet XRP or XUMM wallet, you're going to need a DevNet seed phrase. You want to go to xrp.org/xrp-testnet-faucet.html, and I'll put all the links in the description, but you want to generate DevNet credentials. And so in your XUMM account, you're going to copy the secret, and then you're going to import a existing account. You're going to use full access, and then you're going to use family seed. You're going to paste your secret into where you need to paste in XUMM for the family seed, and then press next. And then you should have an account with a balance of 1,000 XRP. And again, this is the DevNet credentials. Next, you want to open your Metamask. And I've already done this, but you're going to go to networks, and then you want to add network. And then once you add your network, you want to insert the name, which would be the EVM Sidechain dash Devnet. And really, it could be any name you want. The RPC URL, the chain, currency symbol. You can use XRP or EXRP, and then the block explorer URL. And then you'll save it. Again, I've already done it, so I do not need to save it. But it'll look like this. Next, we'll want to go to bridge.devnet.xrpl.org, and we'll want to connect our Metamask wallet, which we're connected, 68AD, 68AD, and then we need to connect our XUMM wallet. On XUMM, click on the blue square with the X and the check mark at the very bottom, and then click scan QR code. You're going to slide to accept. All right, and now we're connected. And what we can do is we can switch to our XRPL Devnet account on XUMM. And this is our EVM Sidechain, which is our Metamask, RPC, and let's send 500. Transfer. I have to approve it on XUMM. Right, transfer is processing. All right, my transaction has been sent. I can look in assets and see that my account is now at 493.8 XRP. And I can also look on XUMM and see that my payment was sent as well. And again, mind you, this is DevNet, and so it's still in testing, but this is very promising, and I know developers will be very excited to be using the sidechain. Hopefully this helps anybody that wanted to connect their XUMM or XRP wallet to the EVM compatible sidechain. If you like content like this, please give a like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to follow me on Twitter at LeftyChris13, and have a great day. Peace.